Hey guys, this is Priyanka Kumar from Soul Soak and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for all the love and support that you're showing on my page. It really does mean a lot to me. So today we are going to be looking at a question called, is this the end? Is it really over? Or do you have to wait, or do you have to move on, or what is the message for you today with this connection? This is for mostly people who are in separation, because the question we're doing is this the end? So in separation, or if you've had any issues going on, then this reading is a must watch for you. So as you already know how the reading goes about, you just pick one of the pile and go to the timestamps below in the description, check which pile is meant for you. So today we have the yellow stone, and then we have the yellow star, and then the yellow rose. So close your eyes and take few deep breaths, and when you feel calm, open your eyes and then see which pile that you're most attracted to and go to that reading. Also, your feedback would really mean a lot to me. Please do comment, or if you would like to get in touch with me personally, my Instagram handle and my WhatsApp number is linked below in the description. You can go check out that. And I have a lot of tips that has been posted on my Instagram page. So you can go check that, herbal tips and the magic, simple tips that you can follow on daily basis to just add a little bit more spice in your life. All right, so let's move on to the reading. Welcome to pile number 1, whoever picked the yellow stone. I have first picked out an oracle card from the universal messages deck, and then we will look at more tarot cards and see what you have in this situation. So the card we have is focus and keep on aiming. All right. Here, focus and keep on aiming can mean that this is not over yet. You need to focus. As we are looking at the question called, is this really over? I see that for you, it is not over yet. You still have to keep focusing and keep aiming on this connection or this particular person, and something can come up in the future and it will definitely bring in a lot of changes. So don't lose your focus and keep this thing going. Let's look at tarot cards about this connection. For pile number 1, is this really over for this person? King of Wands. I picked out 2 cards. 6 of Cups, 9 of Pentacles. Alright, so definitely this is not over yet, and I see that you share a lot of memories together that can be connected with your past, or maybe you guys know each other from pretty long time, or maybe you are family friends, or you could also be a love relationship that's been there for a very long time, or you feel that kind of connection so much that maybe you guys know each other since your childhood. It could be that sort of a connection as well. So here I see that this is definitely not over. The kind of memories that you hold together with this person is extremely strong, but at this point of time, you need to embrace of what you are. Be more, rejoice more freedom, rejoice being the independent person that you are. And I would also say that it's a very strong connection, right? It's a very strong connection, and at times it can there can be challenges in your relationship, because I see that definitely it's quite a challenging relationship, and you are not sure of how to make this thing happen for you, or you are somewhere being, a little bit of worry, or a little bit of feeling overprotective about this person, and you're trying to control the situation, but it's a lot about the kind of this kind of person is very passionate. All right, I see that your person or your relationship overall is quite passionate. I see that you're losing out patience in holding on to this relationship, and somewhere your emotions are too much back and forth. You're trying to balance it out, but the memories that you hold with this person is something that is trying to bring in that, impatience in you, and this is pretty much going to work out. So when I say that you are losing out patience here, so that relates so much to this card of focus and keep on aiming. So you really have to have a strong focus and go with the flow of this connection, and of course it is definitely going to be successful, there's no doubt about it. But right now it's the time for you to embrace yourself and be the kind of person that you always wanted to be. So it's like when you're in a relationship, you're being controlled by, I wouldn't say being controlled by, but obviously you have your boundaries, you have your limitations, and you won't be able to do everything that you really want. But right now you've got the time to be somebody who can live your life to the fullest at this point of time. So you have to be content, uh, about what you already have. Embrace that. This relationship will come to you, and I see that it is definitely not over. All right, it is definitely not over, and it is going to come at the right time. So here I will actually pick up a time frame card of when can I expect this connection to be rekindled. Knight of Swords, Four of Cups, and the Moon. All right, I see that this connection can come back to you in another month, maybe 4 weeks from now. I see is a good time period for this connection to be rekindled upon again. And I see that it is definitely a challenging relationship, as I mentioned earlier as well. I see that this relationship can be challenging for you, but you need to get out of that illusion that this is the only thing that is meant for you. Sorry guys, I had to take a call in between. So moving on to the reading, I see that within 1 month, 4 weeks from now, is a good time period for a reconciliation, or whatever the separation phase that you're going through, the relationship can rekindle up for you again. All right. So here I also see that there is going to be some sort of a challenges, and you need to think a lot about how you can solve this issue when you come back together. And it's not just about one person doing it, but it is about both of you having a conversation, and both of you being honest with each other and clearing out the air around, right? I see that there has been some sort of a major misunderstanding because of which this separation has happened, and this will definitely be a good outcome, but you need to think about your emotions as to what. But here you have a good offer of, sitting and contemplating on that emotions of yours now, right? So I see that you will be able to utilize this opportunity to think about it and have a brighter future for this relationship. All right. And I would also like to check what is the outcome of this relationship, because I see that there is a good possibility, but there are challenges. So I will also check what is the future outcome of this relationship. Ace of Cups. Definitely it is going to be a successful relationship, and it can move into something more deeper and something more meaningful, and you just have to wait with the time and patience. Okay, right now it is just that you are somewhere trapped in the situation. You're very close to getting what you want. It is the small misunderstanding between the two of you that has caused this major separation for you. All right, so hold on to this, and don't let it go or don't move on, I would say. So to sum up the whole reading, is this connection really over? I would say no, it's not over. You need to focus and keep on aiming. All right, this will come to you and things will definitely flourish for you. All right, so that's all I have for you in this reading. I hope this reading helped you get a better perspective about your connection. If so, please do let me know in the comments below. I would be more than happy to get your feedback. And thank you so much for listening out to me today. And if you like my reading and would like to connect with me personally, please, you can check my description below. You have my Instagram handle and my WhatsApp number. Everything is mentioned. You can get in touch with me. All right, I'll see you soon. Take care and have a good day. Bye bye. Hey guys, welcome to group number 2. Whoever picked the yellow star, be brave. I have initially picked up an oracle card from the Universal Messages deck, and then I will be picking out more tarot cards to see what is there for you in this connection. So today we are doing a question called, is this connection really over or is it the end? And the oracle card I have for you is be brave. So I don't know if this connection is over or not. So let's take a look at the tarot cards and see what lies for you ahead in this connection. Is this connection really over for pile number 2? So I have the High Priestess, Page of Pentacles, and Two of Wands. Alright, so I say that this connection is not very clear for you, and is it really over? I would say it is not over, but it is not there either. It is neither a yes nor a no situation. I can understand the confusion that you are facing through in this particular connection, but the thing is that this relationship is somewhere between two crossroads, Maybe you have another person, or maybe your person has another person and they treat you like an option, But here I see that you are somebody who is more intellectual and with a lot of, you are probably into spirituality, or probably you are somebody who is in the higher authority, and your person might feel that, you are too much for them to take. It's like you reach beyond their expectations, You're there, you're good for them, but when it's too much for them to take, for them to level up becomes very difficult, right? So this card just fell off, and I see that there's definitely a third party situation here, which means that your person has another person and they are not sure if they have to pick you or if they have to choose another person that they are seeing. All right, and I see that this can actually uh, you know if you guys spend more time together, things can flourish well for you. But I say that they're also looking for a stable relationship, stability, and somebody that they can depend upon also. Like, in terms of their career, probably they're looking for somebody with the same career field, or somebody with the same status of finances, or the social capacity. They are looking for somebody of that sort. So that is why this is becoming very difficult for them to choose. They see at one side that they have a stable relationship, or something that they can depend upon for a long period of time, and then they have you, which is like, you are so strong and powerful and intuitive and you're spiritual. So it's too much for them to take at this point of time, right? And I also see that this decision has to be made by them and not by you, because they can manifest anything they want, because the choice is theirs right now, right? I don't see that the choice is yours here. The choice is theirs. They have to make a decision as to if they want to take this connection further, or they want to go with the other connection, right? So this can be very confusing, right? So it's totally not over either, and it's totally not there either for you, right? I'm picking up more cards for your situation. I see 3 of Swords. I see 10 of Cups. That's a good sign. And then I see the Fool. So here I see that, there could be a lot of heartbreak in your situation, and this can cause a lot of stress to you. But after which you will be able to have a happy life. But there is a risk involved for you. If you ask me if I should stay or move on, I would say don't get so emotionally attached, that because you are being treated here like an option. You definitely don't want to be somebody's option in their life, right? You want to be somebody who can be there just for you all the time, and not just as an option, right? So the feeling of being an option is too harsh. You cannot always expect that person to be there for you, maybe physically, emotionally. It's like they're emotionally unavailable when you want them, right? So it's not that you should completely let them go, because this connection is good, but you also have some kind of pride that you need to hold on to. So I would say that don't completely move. I know it sounds actually stupid to say that don't move on or don't stay in this relationship, but since we are doing a reading for your separation zone, I would say don't sit and wait for this person, I say. All right, just keep looking out for options if you really want some relationship that you are looking for, or I would say don't sit and wait. That's all. If it's meant to be, it will definitely come back to you, right? But sitting and waiting for that is not a good thing, right? So that is what I am seeing here. So the best thing for you to do is that just focus upon yourself and how you can improve your lifestyle and utilize your time. And if you want to date anybody else, then do it. And there's nothing harm in it, okay? But there is definitely a heartbreak situation, and definitely it's a challenging one, where your person has to believe that yes, they can achieve what they want. So it is their decision, which is not in your hands. So I would say that let the thing go completely. What is meant for you will definitely find your way. All right, so I would say that at this point of time, your course of action should be just to believe in yourself and nothing else. All right, and I will pick up what could be the final outcome of this relationship in the future, in the near future. see 8 of Swords, and then 7 of Pentacles. No, I see that this person is still going to be confused at some point of time, and they have to stand up for themselves to make this relationship work. But there is definitely some kind of finances that is holding them back. Okay, maybe the financial status of both your families, or maybe something to do with the career path. They are a strong believer of career and money, so that is kind of confusing them as to which one should they be choosing over. It should be either stability and career, or it should be an emotional connection. So that is why they are unable to make that decision. But there's nothing wrong with you, all right? It's okay to go through that heartbreak, because I see good happiness for you coming up. And also, I just felt like picking up one last card, and I got the Two of Cups, which is the soulmate card, which is a good sign, that after all that you go through, there will be happiness. All right, so just don't be brave in this situation and don't let it go, because we have the beautiful oracle card that says be brave. You have to be brave and take the situation as it comes, and do not get so attached to it that you cannot live without it. Because I see at some point of time you might feel like you yourself put yourself into this situation that you cannot get out of. So when you are trapped in such a situation, only you can get rid of it. You can't expect somebody else to make that decision or the choice for you, right? So it's completely with the other person. And whatever relationships that may be, don't ever stay in a relationship that makes you feel like you're treated like an option, and not, because there the love is divided, and they are not showing their unconditional love towards you, which does not make any sense. So I would say that be brave and take things as it comes. And so to sum up the whole reading, is this connection really over? I would say it is not over yet, but it is neither yours. All right, it might be still a conflicting statement, but that is all I can say, that it's neither over or it's neither there for you. So the choice is also yours here as to, do you really want to stay, or do you really want to move on? So this was a very heavy reading. Anyway, so that's all I have for you today in this reading, and I hope the reading resonated with your situation. And if so, please do let me know in the comments below. I would be more than happy to get your feedback. And thank you so much for listening out to me. If you would like to connect with me personally, you can feel free to do so by connecting with me on my WhatsApp number or on my Instagram handle, and I would be more than happy to help you. See you again soon. Take care and have a good day. Bye bye. Hey guys, welcome to group number 3. Whoever picked the yellow rose, yellow flower, the message for you is trust the universe. All right, so we have picked up just one oracle card for your situation, and then I will look more deeper with the tarot cards. So the question that we are doing today is this connection really over? So I'm sure that you are in separation if you're watching this video. So we're looking at if this connection is really over, or is there something that is still going on? Five of Cups, Ace of Swords, and then 8 of Swords. Right. So with the 5 of Cups, Ace of Swords, and 8 of Swords, I see that this connection is actually over for you. It is just that you are still holding on to it, and you are just dragging the whole conversation, and you are thinking that maybe this can happen, maybe there is still chance for it, maybe there is still hope for it. I think you are trying to look at the good side of this relationship and trying to be more optimistic, but it's definitely not worth waiting for. Among the three piles, this is the only file where it's a straightforward, no, you shouldn't be waiting, and this connection is actually over for you. I also see that there has been a lot of regret about the past. Maybe the things that happened between the two of you, maybe something major that happened emotionally is what makes you feel like maybe if you hadn't done that, then there could still be positive chances for this relationship. But I also see that your person has betrayed you and disappointed you, and it's a lot of a heartbreak situation. You cannot be grieving over something that is not meant for you at all. So I see that this relationship is not even worth waiting for, and the more that you wait, I see that you're already waiting for it, you're actually waiting for it, but waiting for this is absolutely meaningless, right? And it is that you somewhere know already that things are over, and you also know that this is not the relationship that is meant for you, but still somewhere you are holding on to it, thinking that maybe things will turn around for you. You're still having that high hopes. Here you're only hurting yourself. Okay, let me pick some more cards to clarify your situation as to what's going on in this situation for pile number 3. Page of Pentacles, the Emperor, Queen of Wands. So I still see that you are trying to manifest this person. You are trying to, achieve this person in your life. But I see that your person is too strong and adamant, and once they've made a decision, it is over for them. They are not going to be the ones to actually come back or consider this offer again, right? So this connection is pretty much clear, guys, that it's completely over, and it is not worth spending more time and energy, or don't waste your time with this connection, right? I feel that it's the best for you to let it go, because your person also has completely made this choice, and they have let it gone, and they have moved away from this relationship. Okay, and also they're very powerful, so what choices that they make for themselves and what action that they take for themselves is the final, it's the end. They are not going to listen to your dramas, your emotions, your words, your whatever that you have to say to this person. They are not going to accept it at all. It just seems like a waste of time. It just is going to be like a useless thing that you are sitting and holding on to. I see that you're very confident and determined, and you are like, no, this manifestation is definitely going to happen for me. And you are trying to be joyful and see things. But see, even though I don't know, this happens in a lot of my reading, and I see the lights fluctuating. Today it didn't happen much actually, but still, with this reading going off, I think it's pretty much clear that there is no future for this relationship, and it is clearly over. You definitely should not be wasting time upon this. Although I will pick last 2 cards for what is the future of this relationship. All right, what is the near future of this relationship? Is it very clear that this connection is over? And Ace of Pentacles, and then I have Page of Cups. It's just a dream, guys. It's absolutely just a dream. And then we have the Fool. So I see that it's clearly just a dream, that you are hoping for things to happen, but it is that you should. I think it would be a very foolish act for you to stay in this connection. And the near future also, I see that somewhere you will get over it at one point of time, or it's just that your immaturity level to accept things that it's over is what is taking you long to get over this person. All right, so you it will take some certain time for you to realize this, but if you've heard this message and if it does resonate with you, I would definitely say that it's the best for you to let it go and not wait, because once you become a free bird, then again you will be more happy and attracting a better relationship that you truly desire. So to sum up the whole reading, if this relationship is over, yes, it's definitely over. All right, I hope this reading resonated with you, and thank you so much for hearing out. And if the reading resonated, please do let me know in the comments below. I would be more than happy to help you. And if you would like to connect with me personally, my WhatsApp number and the Instagram handle is linked below in the description, so you can get in touch with me. Take care and have a good day. See you soon. Bye bye.